Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add widgetable to the lock screen. Now if you want to add the widgetable to the lock screen but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the widgetable app. So if you have not installed the widgetable app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So from there make sure that you have locked your iPhone. So after that you just need to long press on the lock screen until the customization menu appears. So simply unlock it first, and after long pressing it you just need to swipe up, and here you will see the option of customize. So click on it, and from here you just need to select the option of lock screen, and here you just need to select the widget like icons or add widgets icon at the very top. So click on it, and from here you just need to scroll down until you see the option of widgetable. So at the very bottom you'll see the option of widgetable. So it says circular widget, so tap or drag to adjust a widget. So you may simply swipe it, and you may also simply tap or swipe like this, and from here you just need to save the widget of the size in the app first. So you may simply search the widget from here, or you may also simply search it from the widgetable app, and after selecting it you will be able to get it on the home screen or lock screen like this. So that's it. That's how you can keep the widgetable app on the lock screen of an iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.